Hello everyone, Randy Siplowczyk here again. We continue our series by heading to Pell City, Alabama, which has been called the gateway to Logan Martin Lake. While there, I stopped at a company called Garrison Steel Fabricators, which began as an erector 20 years ago. Now, about 7 years ago, they expanded their operation to include steel fabrication, and now they sell steel to all the southeastern states. In this video, you will hear from Garrison's Fabrication Operations Manager, Eddie Carnes. You'll learn why they chose FabSuite after evaluating all the other steel management programs out there. Eddie also shares how FabSuite has been instrumental in helping Garrison Steel increase their sales by an amazing 60%. Yes, that's right, 60%. So let's go ahead and hear what Eddie has to say.
Hi, I'm Eddie Carnes with Garrison Steel Fabricators in Pell City, Alabama. I'm the Fabrication Operations Manager. We're located just east of Birmingham, Alabama, and we furnish fabricated steel for most likely to all the southeastern states. We started this business about 20 years ago in the steel erection business. About 7 years ago, we started in the fab business, and everything we did was basically by hand. We took all the bill of materials off by hand, we combined the material by hand, and we purchased by hand. And we knew sooner or later we had to come up with some type of production software that would enhance our ability to produce our steel and buy our material. So we looked into the market, we looked at all the other competitors of FabSuite, and we came down and decided to buy FabSuite because of its ability to grow and work towards our goals as well as the industry goals. And since then, we've been able to enhance our business by controlling our material purchases, controlling our cutting of the material, and also controlling our production in the shop. Actually, two modules we started with quickly was production control and the estimating module. First of all, you got to estimate the product, and then you got to be able to enter your bill of materials in your system. So those are the first two items we started using with FabSuite. Then we moved into the purchase and requisition module, because then we could control when we bought it and how we bought it. That way we had better control of not having to buy it at all and not wondering what we bought and what we did not buy. So we were able to move into purchasing and requisition, which helped us combine the material, control what we had bought and what we had not bought, and then also print purchase orders out, so it would help our accounts payable not double pay bills, or also help make sure that we received all the material that we purchased. So those two modules really helped enhance our business. We then moved into the project management module, and that started helping us manage our drawings. We started logging our drawings in and started managing the approval state or the status of those drawings at any given time, which helped us move faster into production once those drawings were finished. One other great feature of production control is the routes and stations that you can use in production control. And the way we use those is we've set up stations of processing, fitting, welding, cleaning, and coating, and then shipping. And what we do, we control the flow of that material. We print lists out for fitters. Each fitter gets a list of the material he's supposed to fit. He logs it in every day, and we manage what's been fit. Then we actually make lists of what's got to be welded after it's fitted, and so on through the process. So we're able to better manage what material we have at what state. And the purpose of this is, the worst thing in the fabricating business is getting down to loading the material on a truck and finding out you're short 2 or 3 pieces. This allows us to, when we've not processed a piece of steel, or that piece of steel got made wrong or possibly not made, we're able to figure that out before we get down to the last minute, which really causes problem in the fab business, which makes you more profitable in the long run. And second of all, it allows you not to have a load of steel go to the job site and not have the parts that's on the shipping bill at the site. One great thing we've known we have benefited from FabSuite is our ability to sell work in a very difficult economic time. From the time we started with FabSuite to now, we've probably increased our business of sales by 60%. Our profitability has been stable, which is phenomenal in a market that we've been around in the last 3 years, and largely is due to the fact of our ability to utilize FabSuite in the manner I've spoken. Obviously, when you put things down in objective terms, you eliminate the errors, or if you have errors, you find them quicker. And once you corrected them, you don't have to go find 15 copies that have been made from the original error. And so having a hard copy, having a program, having it in a software package obviously will eliminate errors and help you control those as any company makes errors, but we're able to benefit from FabSuite's ability to trace those down, change them, and they're throughout the system. Some of the positive things about FabSuite is the response of the support team. When I send them an email about an issue that I'm either questionable about or having problems with, I get an immediate response. I feel like it's almost like making a phone call and they're at the other end of the phone. It's not quite that fast, but it's fast enough to accomplish what I need to be done, and I don't feel like I'm waiting a long time. Go-to-meeting is what we use several different times. If I can't understand what they're trying to tell me on the phone, we'll get on a go-to-meeting and solve the issue pretty quickly. A few of the benefits of FabSuite, in my opinion, is we just start from the front. I mean, being able to combine the material and buy the material at the most efficient and competitive price is huge. Being able to control that material coming in so you can make the first piece first, the last piece last, is awesome. Then in production control, it allows us to maintain the flow of work in our shop and us to be able to keep up with what is processed, what it's fitted, what's welded, and what's ready for shipment. It also allows our shipping bills to be more accurate, and if the customer knows if it's on that shipping bill, it's on the job site, he's more than apt not to call me asking for the piece, but to continue looking for the piece, and that is a tremendous benefit to this company.
Thanks, Eddie. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to share about FabSuite with us and for showing us around your shop. It's exciting to hear story after story about FabSuite users saving time and money. Do you have a story you'd like to share? If so, I'd like to hear about it. Please send me an email to randy@fabsuite.com. Want to learn more about FabSuite and how this amazing software can save you time and money too? If so, just go to our website at www.fabsuite.com. Call us at 757-645-0842 or just send us an email to info@fabsuite.com.